Okay, so we have a situation here, no key detected, and this is for a push start button. So we're gonna be working on this today, and this usually happen when the battery on your remote goes bad. So either either you get a no key detected or uh, no ID. I think is the other thing that happened. Something that is good to know is when there is no battery or the battery on your remote goes bad, you actually can start the car doing this. Okay, it's just not gonna work. You see, no key detected. And your remote, it won't be useful to unlock or lock your car. But look, all the remote, even if the battery goes bad, you can start your car pressing your key into the button. Look, you see how that works? Even and that the battery in your remote goes bad. I'm gonna show you why. I want you to see this key, and I'm gonna show you that there is no battery in here. You just have to press here. There. No battery. Here's where it's supposed to be the battery. Now, the thing with these push start buttons cars is that even if you don't have a battery in your remote, you can start the car. It's true, you can lock it or lock the car, but you still can use it to start the car. Okay, now we have the new battery. I'm just gonna remove it here. So just gonna go place. We're gonna place it like this. All right, just like that, and then this other part goes here. And once everything is aligned, you just have to press hard. It's gonna clip on. There it is. You wanna put your key back in. That's it. So now with the new battery, you can uh, lock your car or unlock the car and really use your remote